Like many words in English, mortgage is not pronounced the way you might expect. Make sure your pronunciation of mortgage is correct and approved. The stress or accent is on the first syllable. Mortgage. The T is not pronounced at all. Pronounce the first syllable as more. The second syllable rhymes with bridge. Say gidge, not gauge. And of course, the last letter, E, is not pronounced at all. Try saying it. Mortgage, mortgage, mortgage. For more lessons on words that are often mispronounced, visit confidentspeech.com and look for our popular e-learning programs. You will also find more free tutorials and information on training in accent, pronunciation, and voice.